With August 12th right around the corner, hundreds of our bus drivers are preparing for that first day of school. I rode along with one of those bus drivers on a run-through as he made sure he knows his route inside and out.
Good morning, Trans-South 1628. My name's Dana Gregory. I've been driving for Lee County School District for 15 years. I enjoy the kids. I enjoy being able to be an influence in their life. And believe it or not, I enjoy serving the public. You know, it's a public service job. What we're going to be doing today is, of course, we're doing our trial run. This is the first time I've been on this route, so it's vitally important, the feedback that I give back to dispatch on what we see this morning.
The purpose of the dry run is for, one, to familiarize the drivers with their routes and the stops they have, but really it's also a safety measure that we take here. We have over 6,500 bus stops, and every one of those bus stops are actually being checked as we speak.
We're looking for 838. Since we are an ESE bus, we do door-to-door delivery, so I have to be sure that I have sufficient room to park my bus, to get my wheelchair lift down and everything. That takes at least 8 to 10 feet on the right side of my bus. I've had this stop in years past now that I see it. There's plenty of room here for me to load that student. I can't get through here. We see this all the time. See there's a basketball hoop there right out by the street? Believe it or not, those are perfectly the right height to catch my mirror. You see a landscape truck parked here on the left. I know from judging my bus, I can't safely get through there. This could be an issue even on August the 12th. Usually the landscape people are nice enough to pull over and let us through. Now and then we'll get one that is not quite as nice, and I can't back up. There's nowhere to go. So we have to sit here until something else happens. This may be 5 minutes, it may be 15, but it looks like these gentlemen are being nice enough and they're going to let us through. But what the issue is this basketball hoop. He may not be aware of that, but as you can see, I've got to be really cautious here. But those things, that's a perfect example there of, that people got to realize the fact that now we're on a schedule. Now, our time that we had was almost perfect getting to our first stop, but now I'm going to be a few minutes late getting to my second stop. So just be patient. It was a good morning. It was uneventful in the fact that there was no complete surprises, but it was a good trip. It was a safe trip, and everybody's in good health.
To all of our students out there, we can't wait to see you on the first day of school. I'm Wright for Lee Schools TV.